How to take a screenshot on your iPhone without power button. You can see it's take a screenshot. So how to take it? For that, open your setting, and under setting you have to open your accessibility. Open accessibility, and here you can see the touch option. Then just enable this option, and you can see the ghost icon. Just press on ghost icon, go to device, then you can see the more option. If you press on screenshot, then it will take a screenshot. So if you don't like this option, then just turn off it. Then I will show you the another way. Go back, go to touch again, and you can see the back tap. Press on back tap, then double tap, select double tap, and I am selecting screenshot. And now if I press the back button 2 times, then it will take a screenshot. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.